The United States had no part to play in that crash, and that's a fact, plain and simple. I won't speculate as to what they'll blame. Again, they have to conduct an investigation to see what the cause of the crash was. It could be a number of things: mechanical failure, pilot error, you name it. Regarding the death of Iran's president in the very unfortunate helicopter crash, we continue to monitor the situation, but we don't have any insights into the cause of the accident at this point. And certainly, I know the Iranians are investigating, or will investigate, and so we'll see what the outcome is once their investigation is complete. In terms of our force posture, I don't have any announcements to make, and again, this is something that we'll continue to watch, and I don't necessarily see any broader regional security impacts at this point in time, Tara.
Вводя санкции, которые включают в себя запрет на поставку запчастей для американской авиационной техники, они подвергают риску жизни людей. Американцы от этого открещиваются, но на самом деле ведь и в других странах, против которых Соединенные Штаты объявляют санкции, не поступают запчасти для американской техники, в том числе авиационной.